Did you know that you can create project risks in project planning application? 3 mandatory conditions must be met to be able to manage risks in the context of a project in project planning application. First, you must be assigned one of 2 roles to have access to risk management application. You must be assigned either to the project manager DPM role or to the risk manager RSK role. Both roles contain the risk management application. Second condition, the project must be of type enterprise project. You can see if your project is enterprise project in the project's information panel. When those 2 conditions are met, Risks tab becomes available in the project planning application for a selected project, as you can see here. And then, using the Risks tab, you can view all risks that are associated with that particular project. As you can see here, current user can view all risks, but cannot create a new risk from here. In order to be able to create risks using the Risk tab in Project Planning application, you must be a project owner or a project leader with leader access to the collaborative space. So let's now log in as a different user. This user has access to the risk management application, but this user doesn't have the Risks tab available. You should know by now why the Risk tab is not available. This is because the project is of type team-based and not of type enterprise project. Let's transfer this team-based project to become an enterprise project. And now the Risks tab is available. As this user is also the project owner with leader access to the collaborative space, this user can create new risks directly from the project planning application.